your favorite place of relaxation. Welcome and allow yourself to settle wherever you are. Find a comfortable position. There is nothing you need to do perfectly. Simply let yourself arrive. Feel yourself begin to relax. Take a deep breath. As you exhale, let your breath be easy. Notice it moving in and out, gently. Nothing to change. Simply notice. Now, in your mind's eye, let yourself be gently carried to your favorite place of relaxation. It might be a place you are already familiar with. A beach, sunrise at dawn, a lush forest clearing, a quiet room filled with sunlight, a garden perhaps, or a mountain lookout. If nothing comes immediately, simply allow a new place to form, one that feels completely safe, peaceful, and yours. There is no rush. Let the place choose you as much as you choose it. I will give you a moment. As you arrive, notice first what you see. What colors are present? The light, shapes of trees, water, the sky, the way light plays across surfaces. Whatever is created is appropriate and for you. Now let your ears open. What sounds are present? Waves in the ocean, wind in the trees, distant birds singing, a gentle breeze perhaps, or silence itself that feels alive. Breathe in and relax. What scents are drifting toward you? Salt air, pine, warm earth flowers, or fresh rain. Feel your awareness begin to deepen. Feel the air on your skin, the temperature. Is there warmth from the sun? Perhaps cool shade or a gentle breeze touching your face and arms. Shift your awareness to the ground beneath you. Is there sand, grass, stone, perhaps a wooden floor? How does it support you? Let your body settle more deeply into that support. Is there anything here you can touch? Textures like bark or smooth surfaces of stone, soft petals. Let your fingers remember the feeling. This place is yours. It exists whenever you need it. If you feel rushed or hurried, you can return here, even for a few quiet breaths. The moment you remember your favorite place of relaxation, your body begins to soften. Your breath begins to slow. Your heart remembers the calm. Let this feeling grow. Let it spread through your chest, your arms, your entire body, like warm golden light, filling every atom, cell, and electron within. Know that you can return here. It is always waiting, safe, peaceful, completely yours. When you're ready, take one more deep breath in this beautiful place. And as you exhale, gather all the calm, the colors, the scents, and the sounds. Let them travel with you as you prepare to move from your favorite place of relaxation, gently bringing your awareness back into the room where you began. Feel your fingers and toes. You're aware of your body now. As you feel this new sense of relaxation, you are able to carry this beautiful collection of vibrating calm, joy, and peace within you. Thank you for creating your favorite place of relaxation.